Imagine a future where the entire human race, billions of us, live inside a single colossal structure. A city compressed into one vertical building. From the outside, it looks like a shimmering mountain of glass and steel, stretching endlessly into the sky. Its walls breathe with light, its surface reflecting the clouds and the sun in ways that make it seem alive. Inside, each layer holds neighborhoods, parks, schools, hospitals, and ecosystems designed to sustain life without ever stepping outside. The promise of efficiency. Within this structure, every system is optimized. Silent magnetic elevators glide between thousands of floors in seconds, each capsule resembling a spaceship. Food is grown in vertical farms, glowing with neon hydroponics. Fish swim in aquaponic tanks under ultraviolet light. Artificial bees pollinate plants in controlled gardens. Energy comes from fusion at its core, with solar arrays wrapping the building like golden wings. Life is self-contained, efficient, and sustainable. A world without distance. In this building, distance loses meaning. Workplaces are a few levels away, schools down the corridor, and entertainment districts within walking distance. A morning commute takes minutes, not hours. The boundaries between home, work, and leisure blur. For some, this feels like liberation, the gift of time. For others, confinement, a world reduced to corridors and elevators. Would mystery vanish in a life where everything is just a few steps away? The Utopian Dream. Supporters believe such a building could end urban sprawl, protect nature, and create equality. Imagine lush gardens with birds, opera houses with AI musicians, hospitals with robotic doctors, all just steps away. No traffic jams, no pollution, only vertical harmony. Renewable energy flows freely. Food grows meters away from where it is consumed. Humanity finally coexists with nature while embracing ambition. The hidden costs. But shadows follow dreams. A blackout, a disease outbreak, or conflict could trigger chaos for billions at once. Surveillance drones monitor hallways. Biometric scanners track every move. Privacy vanishes under central authority. Would the building become a gilded cage? Freedom sacrificed for order? History shows power, when centralized, is rarely kind. Inside this tower, democracy might wither into control. The fragility of a giant. A city spread across Earth is resilient, but a single building holding humanity is fragile. A fire, a quake, a war, or sabotage could end it all. Engineers design redundancies, but fear remains. History's disasters magnified to billions in one tower. Resilience comes from diversity and spread, not centralization. The tower dares fate to strike once. The psychological strain. Humans evolved to roam open horizons. In this tower, the horizon is a ceiling. Would minds adapt, or would claustrophobia grow? Some thrive in density, others suffocate in noise. Children may never climb trees, run in open grass, or see real skies. Playgrounds are steel and glass. Would their dreams shrink to fit the walls? Or would imagination find new horizons inside? Culture in the sky. Life inside changes who we are. Cultures form by floor. One level for food, another for art, another for sports. The tower becomes a miniature Earth, stacked vertically. But compression brings conflict. When billions share walls, will exchange flourish or tensions explode? The tower is the greatest social experiment ever imagined. Politics in a vertical nation. A building for all humanity is not just a city, it is a nation. Who governs do higher floors, hold privilege? Will elites rule from above, while shadows consume the lower levels? Would politics evolve around elevators and floor numbers? Old struggles reborn in vertical form. The tower itself becomes a symbol of power, hierarchy carved in height. The balance of utopia and dystopia. This vision is thrilling and terrifying. Efficiency, unity and sustainability shine bright, but control and fragility loom. A building is never neutral. It reflects the intentions of its makers. It could be humanity's crown jewel or its prison, echoing with laughter or silence, filled with art or with fear. The tower holds our future, balanced on values, not steel. Closing reflections. The question isn't, can we build it, but should we? It may save Earth from sprawl, but cost us freedom, diversity, and skies. The future depends on what we value. Do we choose unity or individuality, control or freedom, preservation or exploration? The tower is promise and warning, a reflection of who we are and who we wish to become. If this vision made you wonder, imagine what else awaits beyond tomorrow. Subscribe to Futurepolis, and let's keep exploring the cities of the future, utopian dreams and dystopian warnings alike.